starting of the fall season. We are in first week of October, and the weather has become windy, rainy, which forces or indicates trees that winter will be coming in the next few weeks or months. And that's how they start shading the leaves. But before they shade the leaves, they will change the color. So this particular tree will turn orange. Likewise, the same for that. And this guy will turn its leaves yellow. And then there are trees, I don't recall which one, they would turn their leaves somewhat purple. So